What if you could make $100 a day in passive income while you sleep using AI? In this video, I'll reveal how even beginners can tap into this powerful technology to start making real money from today. If you want to see more videos like this, please support the channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking the video. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the way we think about earning money. With its rapid advancements, AI offers countless opportunities for individuals to generate income, even for beginners. Imagine making $100 a day by leveraging simple AI tools and techniques. From automating tasks to creating content, AI can streamline processes and enhance productivity, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Whether you're interested in freelance work, online businesses, or passive income streams, AI can be your ally in achieving financial goals. The beauty of AI lies in its accessibility. You don't need to be a tech expert to start. Join the wave of innovators and discover how you can tap into the potential of AI to boost your earnings and transform your financial future. Step 1. Understanding the basics of AI is essential for anyone looking to harness its potential. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human cognition. AI is transforming various industries, from healthcare to finance, by automating processes and enhancing productivity. For instance, it can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, making decision-making faster and more efficient. By automating repetitive tasks, AI frees up valuable time, allowing you to focus on more strategic activities. To get started, familiarize yourself with popular AI tools like ChatGPT for conversational tasks and DALL-E for generating images. These tools are user-friendly and provide a hands-on way to experience the power of AI. Embrace this technology, and you'll be well on your way to maximizing your income potential. Step 2. Identifying profitable AI opportunities is crucial for maximizing your income potential. Start by researching online platforms that pay for AI-generated content, such as articles, blogs, and social media posts. Websites like Medium and various content marketplaces often seek fresh, engaging material created with AI tools. Additionally, explore freelance opportunities in AI writing and design, where you can offer your skills to businesses looking for innovative content solutions. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to showcase your AI expertise. Another lucrative avenue is affiliate marketing, where you can use AI tools to analyze trends and optimize your sales strategies. By leveraging AI for targeted marketing campaigns, you can significantly boost your sales and commissions. Embrace these opportunities and watch your earnings grow as you tap into the AI revolution. Step 3. Setting up your AI tools is a vital step toward achieving your income goals. Begin by choosing user-friendly AI tools that suit your needs, such as Jasper for writing engaging content or Canva for creating stunning designs. These platforms are intuitive and designed to help you produce high-quality work efficiently. Next, create accounts on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, where you can offer your AI-powered services to a global audience. This will help you connect with clients looking for your expertise. Additionally, ensure you have a reliable internet connection and the necessary software installed on your device to maximize your productivity. By having the right tools and a solid online presence, you'll be well equipped to take advantage of the opportunities that AI offers, paving the way for a successful income stream. Step 4. Creating and marketing your AI services is essential for attracting clients and growing your business. Start by developing a portfolio that showcases your AI-generated work, highlighting your skills and the quality of your output. This portfolio will serve as a powerful tool to demonstrate your expertise to potential clients. Next, utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter to promote your services. Share your projects, insights, and success stories to engage your audience and attract new clients. Additionally, networking with other AI enthusiasts can provide valuable referrals and insights. Join online communities, forums, or local meetups to connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for AI. By actively marketing your services and building relationships, you'll position yourself as a go-to expert in the AI space, paving the way for increased opportunities and income. Step 5. Monitoring your progress and earnings is crucial for achieving your financial goals. Start by tracking your daily earnings to ensure you're on track to reach that $100 target. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your objectives. As you analyze your income, adjust your strategies based on which services are proving to be the most profitable. This flexibility will allow you to maximize your earnings and cater to client demands effectively. Additionally, staying updated on AI trends is essential for refining your offerings. By keeping an eye on emerging technologies and market shifts, you can adapt your services to meet evolving needs. Regularly reviewing your performance and making informed adjustments will not only enhance your income potential, but also position you as a knowledgeable player in the ever-evolving AI landscape. Step 6. Scaling your AI business is the next step toward maximizing your income potential. One effective strategy is to consider outsourcing tasks that consume your time, allowing you to focus on higher value activities. By delegating routine work, you can significantly increase your productivity and take on more clients. Additionally, explore additional AI tools that can expand your service range, such as advanced analytics software or automation platforms. These tools can enhance your offerings and attract a broader clientele. Investing in learning resources, such as online courses or workshops, is also essential for enhancing your AI skills. Staying updated with the latest advancements will not only improve your services, but also position you as an expert in the field. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to scaling your AI business and achieving greater financial success. Okay, so making $100 a day with AI involves several key steps. Start by understanding the basics of AI and identifying profitable opportunities. Set up user-friendly AI tools, create and market your services, and monitor your progress to ensure you're on track. Finally, scale your business by outsourcing tasks and expanding your skill set. The journey to financial success with AI requires action and experimentation, so don't hesitate to dive in and try new strategies. Remember, the more you engage with AI, the more you'll discover its potential. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who are interested in AI insights. Together, we can explore the exciting world of AI and unlock new opportunities for income and growth.